Hi guys, in this video we'll see some of the free books and online tutorial to start learning Go. Go in Action is one of the best book to start learning Go. If you go to this site, in this book you will find very detailed and in-depth of Golang. You can read this book freely from this website. If you search Go in Action Amazon, this book will cost you around $45. If you go to the next, an introduction to programming in Go, this book gives lot of information clearly in a few words. You can complete this book in 3-4 days to get a good hold of Golang. So these two books are very good starting point to start Golang. And some of the official Go links provided by the Google are the specification. This provides Go programming language specification. This is very good tutorial provided by Go language itself. They have properly documented and it is very clear to learn Go, and they have Golang blog and an wiki. And one more very good Go reference is Go by example.com. Here you will find examples for almost all the features and keywords supported by the Golang. So it is very useful while writing the code. So let's say if you want to see example of map, then you can find it here with description. So it's very helpful when you are writing code. And the last reference is Golang Bootcamp. This is also a very good reference to know more about Golang. Apart from this, I recommend one more book, Introducing Go. This is not free, but this is also one of the best book for learning Golang. In the description section, you'll find the detail of the link. Hope you like the video. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe.